Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we discuss the 2025 Bugatti Tourbillon. This isn't just a car, it's a masterpiece of engineering, design, and sheer power. Buckle up, because this is going to be an exhilarating ride. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Bugatti Tourbillon is a visual masterpiece, blending aggressive aerodynamics with elegant curves. Every line, every vent, and every detail is crafted to perfection. The LED lighting system is not just functional but a work of art, making this car instantly recognizable. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that screams luxury and innovation. The interior is a blend of premium materials like carbon fiber, titanium, and hand-stitched leather. The centerpiece is the futuristic dashboard with a high-resolution digital display and analog gauges inspired by Swiss watchmaking, hence the name Tourbillon. Now, let's talk about what makes this car truly special: its performance. The 2025 Bugatti Tourbillon is powered by a hybrid powertrain that combines a monstrous 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine with 3 electric motors. Together, they produce an astonishing 1,800 horsepower and 1,500 lb-ft of torque. This beast can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.0 seconds and has a top speed of 280 miles per hour. Yes, you heard that right, 280 miles per hour. But it's not just about straight-line speed. The Tourbillon's advanced all-wheel drive system, adaptive suspension, and aerodynamic design ensure that it handles like a dream, even at insane speeds. Whether you're on a track or cruising on the highway, this car feels planted and composed. Being a hybrid, the Tourbillon also offers some electric-only range, about 30 miles, perfect for short trips or silent cruising in the city. Charging is quick, and the system seamlessly switches between electric and combustion power for maximum efficiency and performance. So, what's the verdict? The 2025 Bugatti Tourbillon is a hypercar that redefines what's possible. It's a perfect blend of cutting-edge technology, jaw-dropping design, and mind-blowing performance. If you're looking for the ultimate driving experience, this is it. Now, let's talk price. The 2025 Bugatti Tourbillon is expected to start at around $5 million. Yes, it's a lot, but for a car that's essentially a piece of automotive art and engineering, it's worth every penny for those who can afford it. That's it for our review of the 2025 Bugatti Tourbillon. If you're lucky enough to own one, you're not just buying a car, you're buying a legacy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hypercar reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.